G'day, Francois here from Sunfire Photo and Video. Today, exciting new tool for our clients. A bit of a background, photographer, videographer for about 22 years, keeping up with technology, going to drones, building drones since 2012, going over to DJI, loving the 360s, 360 virtual tours, and now the latest, the DJI Avata 360. As you can see, I took the Fly More combo, more batteries the better. I already had the goggles with my Avata. I had the Avata 1, Avata 2, which is an awesome flying machine. Also with the remote control, FPV remote control, works beautifully. But I'm very excited to see how this works. I've been shooting 360s also for a few years, using Instax, GoPros, and lately using the DJI Osmo 360. Also loving it. Quality, picture quality are unbeatable for the size. But again, all this my opinion. I'm just showing clients that I'm slightly bigger than the Avata 2 bag. I like it. Let's see what fits in here. Top. Extra propellers. 4 different ones, which is quite nice. Always need that. Instructions, lens cleaning, and cables, and Allen key for the props. Let's see, nicely packaged. Really nice. 360 is a little bit bigger than the Avata 2. Yeah, it's the back. I'm just going to move this aside. Let's see. A bit bigger. I like it. Comparing 360 to the Avata 2. It's a bit bigger. Not much heavier though. Let's see what added batteries to it. All the batteries to be at always. Batteries are not heavy at all. That's cool. Back on. It's nice and easy. Easier than the Avata. Always struggling with this. Slightly heavier, but compared to size, not much. Very similar. Very similar. Oh, this is not a remote. Oh, this is nice. I did not expect this. It doesn't advertise this. It's a landing pad. This is going to come in very handy. I've been struggling with the Avata to where to take off from, but this is not. I might be using this controller if it works well with the goggles, but I will definitely be flying the 360 with the goggles. And this is the RC2 remote. So I can't wait to test it. Just see how we're going to link the goggles now. I hope I can link it quickly between the two, jumping from one to another. I'll also, just my opinion, fly with both of these.